This is the Susan's Garden Ultimate Toolkit from Spellbinders. It comes with this clear pouch to store everything in. It has a tool-in-one with 6 different tips perfect for paper shaping, as well as different surfaces to work on. There's a nice thick foam for shaping flowers. There is a piece of chipboard perfect for adding lines and details to leaves. And I love the fact that it comes in that pouch so you can store everything together. It also comes with 2 different tweezers as well as a small pair of scissors. I have them stored elsewhere so they weren't in the pouch, but they come in very handy when you're wanting to shape paper flowers or just different paper embellishments for your cards and your projects. This foam block is very easy to work with. This is one of the tweezers that come with the kit. Makes it very easy. It's a reverse pair of tweezers, so it makes it very easy to grab a piece of paper, to curl it and to pinch it to get those details in those flowers. I like to glue my flowers together with some liquid glue, mainly because most of the time they have several different pieces to them, and liquid glue lets you shimmy and move things in place till you have it right. I use several different tips on here to create the different flowers, and they come in and out of that tool-in-one very easily. You just push down the top of the tool-in-one and it releases the tip, and then you can insert another one if you want to change it up. The tool-in-one is very easy to hold in my hand, and I have been using a tool-in-one for paper crafting for years. So it's great to have a kit that has everything that you need for doing this all in one with its own carrying pouch as well. It has fantastic results as well. All of the florals for these cards were created using that Ultimate Toolkit.